so shady. Alright, so for real.
Good feel.
Ay, bring that shit back like a dump truck, baby. Ay, why you gotta act so shady? I got stats to appreciate, just plain. Pockets inside, just treat you nothing, lady. I'm really getting to the bag, bitch, I'm a go-getter. I'm really steady counting rap, bitch, I'm a go-getter. If he's some fuck, then let's just mix it at a code for them. I get them pistol, then I got something to take. My TYGA-Dump, some big dogs, so you know that's what I need on my plate. On the which one, I like you better on your knees, your face. Some gas stuff, show you so you know who in the race. Yeah. I put it on him, he said I'm really top 5. He had up for me, then he could get this Glock 9. I ain't really with the shits and ain't no compromise. I ain't really with the shits and I ain't hotline. I know you can see it's obvious I'm hustling. Really, I don't know why you questioning blessing. Really, I don't see a problem with me touching it. That's so hot that I could try to see the cup on it. Bring that shit back like a dump truck, baby. Ay, why you gotta act so shady? I got stats to appreciate, just plain. Pockets inside, just treat you nothing, lady. Ay, bring that shit back like a dump truck, baby. Ay, why you gotta act so shady? I got stats to appreciate, just plain. Pockets inside, just treat you nothing, lady.
Bring that shit back like a dump truck, baby. Ain't no Barbie on the dash 180. Shorty got the OnlyFans going crazy. Said she wanna make a movie, I say maybe. Niggas wanna be like Mike. Hitting my shorties up, tell them niggas wait in line. I don't give a fuck, money on my mind. Never stressed by the bitches, money on the line. Looking at my wrist, it's sophisticated. 500 racks on me, tell my mama I made it. I'm the #1 stunner at the win in Vegas. I got bitches in my living room, they all get naked. I don't do shit for clout, bitch, I'm on. I can break the internet with shit in my phone. I don't really trust hoes, only bankrolls. Large amounts, take it out to the bank close. Ladies on the paddock, it's about that time. Got ass so fat, reverse and rewind. Can you make that ass shake all the time? Can I fly you out? Can I make you mine? Ay.
Bring that shit back like a dump truck, baby.
Yeah.
Why you gotta act so shady? I got stats to appreciate, just plain. Pockets inside, just treat you nothing, lady. Bring that shit back like a dump truck, baby. Ay, why you gotta act so shady? I got stats to appreciate, just plain. Pockets inside, just treat you nothing.